I got my Beachly box. So if you're a beach lover like I am, keep watching and we'll find out what's inside. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I'm a lover of all things fashion. I like clothes, I like unboxings and lifestyle unboxings like this Beachly box, shopping hauls, try-ons, that type of thing. If you are into that type of thing, then please subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll have some fun together. All right, Beachly is a quarterly lifestyle subscription that is, contains things Beachly, ocean themed, beach themed. And my husband gave me a year subscription last Christmas because I sent him the link. I said, this would be good. So this is the fall Beachly box. And this is what you see when you open it. There's this is just like a postcard, and then there's a QR code on the back that I will have to grab my iPad to look at. And yeah, Beachly Fall 2022. Lots of padding in here. There are some customizations. I do know that I was allowed to customize some things, and I think this is one of the things that I customized. And these are some joggers. All right. And I will get prices and all that stuff for you for how much it is. So these are some blue joggers that say Aloha, that is Aloha Modern with a hibiscus embroidered on there. They're nice and soft, lightweight, and I'm excited to have those. I'm excited to have a new pair of joggers. They look like they're gonna be probably a relaxed type of fit. So that is actually one of the best things I've ever gotten in these boxes from Beachly. I mean, I'm not saying they don't have good things, but gotta love a good pair of joggers. All right, I think this is the other thing that I customized. I believe there are a pair of earrings in here. Yep. And let's see, it's from Misha Hawaii, and they're gold and white Montserrat earrings. So, and there's also, if you are a pearl one of a kind, enjoy 15% off your first purchase. So there's also a discount for this jewelry company. All right, so the rest is going to be, there were some spoilers, but I really can't remember what they were. So this is a coconut scent soy candle. I love the scent of coconut, so I'm excited about that. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's just got this fun shredded paper. Not really fun, because it gets all over the place. Okay, so it is a candle in the shape of a shell, and it does have a nice coconut scent. So I'm going to put that up there. I'll have to put something under it. All right, what's next? We have a bottle of Purette Hydrating Body Lotion. Now, I know they sent me a bottle of Purette. I don't know if it was hand lotion, but that's what I use it for. I have it by the side of my bed, and I really like it a lot. So let's see if this has any kind of a scent. Yep, just a nice, delicate scent. So that's something that'll be of use. All right, next up, it's in a bag that has a hole in it. I'm not quite sure why there's a hole in it. This looks like some kind of spray. Golden Hour Pumpkin and Hemp Seed Body Oil. I've never used a body oil before. Have you? let's see, when apply generously over the body and hands, massaging into skin for maximum hydration. Apply onto damp skin after shower or bath. Use daily. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. I'm trying to do just a little bit because I don't want a bunch of oil on me. And a little goes a long way. Not quite sure. Pumpkin and hemp seed. The smell reminds me of Natural Grocers, if that tells you anything. All right, and then I think there is one more thing in here. And, oh, these are really nice. These are from Salt and Umber, and it is a set of 4 coasters. So they are made of, I'm not quite sure what these are made of, but those are nice. Definitely can use those. This is a good box. Make sure nothing else is in here. This was really a good box. Okay, hold on just a second and I will use that QR code to tell you a little bit more about what is in the box, what, you know, any descriptions and stuff. I'll be right back. Okay, well, their QR code is not working, but I did pull up their website, and this says, welcome to the Beachly Fall Box. This fall, we're bringing you a box inspired by days spent at the ocean and the laid-back lifestyle we all know and love. It's filled with our favorite seaside finds to keep you feeling coastal and cool all season long. With a splash of beachy blues and sandy tones, this box will have you daydreaming of leisurely days spent along the shore. Are you ready to keep it coastal this fall? Good vibes always. Okay, let's see. So on their site, what they say about the boxes are, make every day a beach day. A box of beach-inspired apparel and accessories delivered each season, up to $365 retail value inside each box for a fraction of the price. So I was going to tell you what they were valued at, but because I cannot find that the QR code is not opening up anything, I can't tell you that. So let me tell you how much the boxes are. It's $99 a box if you pay quarterly. It says that it's a minimum of $250 retail value inside. If you pay annually, you will save $40 because then it's only $89 a box. It would be $356 plus shipping, and that gets charged once a year. So I will go ahead and leave. Do I have a code? I will, if I have a code, I will leave it down in the description box and the first comment that I will pin. I'm just trying to see if there's anything in here. They also have a market, so you can go in and buy things from the market and you get special member prices. And you earn, I think they call them sand dollars, something like that. That is like credit for the things that you buy. So that was my Beachly box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you give me that thumbs up, like, whatever it's called. Leave me a comment if you get Beachly or another ocean themed lifestyle box and tell me what you think of it. And what was your favorite item of the things that I got? I got the joggers. I got the earrings. I got the lotion, the candle, the coaster, and the body oil. So I think this is a great box. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, fashion friends, dress like you mean it.